guys, I'm Simmy and today I'm going to be sharing a few simple tips on how you can get the perfect wing liner every time. Now I know even the thought of applying wing liner can be pretty scary for some of you, but with the help of these 3 tips that I'm going to be sharing with you guys, it's going to be super easy and you're going to crack it every single time. So let's get started. To show you guys the looks today, I'm going to be using the Plum Goodness Nature Studio Kajal. This is in the shade Black Brilliance. Now if you guys haven't tried this kajal out yet, you have to try it out because this is 100% transfer proof. It is vegan, it is paraben free, it is cruelty free, and it does not smudge at all. That means if you apply it once, it's gonna stay put throughout the day. It is also ophthalmologically tested and dermatologist tested as well. So this is completely safe for your eyes, and I'm gonna be using this kajal to create all the looks today. So let's get started. So the kajal actually comes with a dual tip sharpener. That means if you just want to fill in your waterline, you can just go for the blunt tip, and if you want to create a wing liner, you can actually sharpen it to make it really pointy and get the perfect wing liner. Alright, so look number 1 is that perfect small wing liner that you guys can wear for office or for college or just a daytime outing. Okay, this is perfect for those of you who are not into bold wing liners or like really exaggerated wing liners. Okay, but this is also the trickiest one because if you don't get this right, it will turn into a bold wing liner. So let me show you this one really simple hack using a tape that will keep your wing really short and sweet. So the first and the most important step is to sharpen your pencil using the dual tip sharpener to get that really nice pointy tip so that you can easily create your wing liner. Once you sharpen the pencil, the next step is to use a sellotape. So I'm going to be using this small sellotape that I have with me always in my vanity, just in case if I am in a hurry or something. I just use a sellotape and then I create a wing liner. It is super easy and also very efficient. I've taken a very small piece of the sellotape and I'm going to stick it at an angle right on the corners of my eye. So I always start with the wing whenever I'm doing a wing liner. So in this case, you want to just follow the shape of your tape. Do not extend it too much because we're going to keep it very soft and very like an everyday kind of a wing. Once you have the size, now I'm going to just pull that inwards. So once I have the entire eyeliner in place, I'm going to just very gently peel the sellotape off my skin. That's it guys, this method hardly takes 2 minutes of your time and you end up with a perfect wing every time. It is almost impossible to go wrong with this. Alright, so another simple hack that I've tried out is to create a stencil out of a cardboard that you guys can just simply place on your eyes and create a wing liner. And for that, I'm just going to cut this cardboard paper in the shape of the wing that I want. Once you have your stencil ready, you can just place it on the corner of your eye and then just create a wing liner. Now the next method is the dot method. In this case, you just have to connect the dots and that's it. You will have your perfect wing liner in no time without using anything else apart from your kajal. So I've sharpened the pencil and it's quite pointy as you can see, and now I'm going to start on the outer corners and I'm going to create dots in the shape of the wing that I wanted, and then later I'm going to connect it all. As you can see, I have dotted out the shape of the wing that I want, and now you just simply have to connect the dots and create your wing. Alright, so these were a few hacks which will help you achieve that perfect wing liner. But now I'm going to show you another hack how you can actually correct a mistake if you've made while creating a wing liner. And for that, all I'm going to do is dip my Q-tip in some makeup remover. I'm just going to reduce the thickness of the wing liner that I've created, and I'm going to make it very small and sharp using the Q-tip and the makeup remover. Alright, so that was the final hack on how you can actually clean up a messy eyeliner. And with that, these were all the hacks and tips for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe before you leave. And with that, it's a wrap for now. Bye!